There has been a recent onslaught of stolen catalytic converters, and we like to protect our clients' cars and any other vehicle that comes to us. Here at A+ Japanese Auto Repair, we install catalytic converter shields. There has been a recent onslaught of stolen catalytic converters, and we like to protect our clients' cars and any other vehicle that comes to us. The catalytic converter is a key component in your exhaust system. The catalytic converter is what takes all the nasty, noxious gases in the exhaust and basically cooks it like an oven to get the clean emissions that come out of the tailpipe. The catalytic converter shield covers the catalytic converter and in many cases prevents it from being cut off. The most common way that thieves take the catalytic converter is by climbing under the vehicle and using a sawzall to cut the very back of it and the front of it and then removing it accordingly. As you can see here, the catalytic converter shield does protect the main body of the cat, and it is very hard to cut it or to get in there with any type of blade or utility tool to actually remove that catalytic converter. Not only the unit is very large, and the space left after, even if it was to be cut, is almost impossible to remove that item from.